Hey guys, so I found a pretty cool print today I wanted to share with you. I've got this Sudokus wall, whatever the IKEA pegboard is behind me. I moved from behind my printer because, well, I couldn't access it. But I've got a lot of stuff that's on my desk that I want to get off my desk, up on the wall, and it actually helps me visually see what I have, so I don't have to be looking through drawers or, I end up buying things that I've already got. So one of the things is, yeah, I'm a gamer. Got, the Elite controller, okay? Got the magnetic puck. I can lock it on there. It'll if I put it on the right way, it'll charge a controller. All right. Well, I found a really cool print file for the wall. It doesn't just hang this up there. It also magnetizes the charging puck, and then I can run a power cable right to it, which happens to be right above where I have a power outlet. This is the print. This is what it looks like when it came out. See if you can see it without it focusing on me. I have not taken it apart yet. I will show you guys the print file. I'll link the print file down below and give the creator a little bit of credit for it. Now, I will have to take this apart, and I do have to glue a couple of magnets in it because this guy is magnetic, but it's heavy. And for it to hang up there like this with a little puck in there, like I'm sure it would tear it down. I'm gonna go flip to my desk view and give this a shot and just see how it comes out. All right, so now we flip down to the desk view. Sorry, the camera quality is not the best. It is a webcam I'm trying out here. Say these are supposed to come off the sides. And cool thing about this design is in the sides, it has places for all the extras that come along with your controller. So you've got the extra joysticks, you've got the extra paddles, the extra buttons on the back. And then on this side, you've got the same thing over here. And then on the top, you've got the extra spot for the D-pad. Now, they all take magnets. And then on the back here is where you can flip it out. Flip all these out, and these are all your hooks to hang it on that wall back there. All right, now flip over here with me to the actual build file. And here is the actual what it actually looks like on the build plate. So the project here, this is what it looks like. I got it off Maker World, like I said. See how everything sits up there. Xbox controller. Let me see if it tells me what size magnets I need to use. Because you do have to make sure that you get the correct poles on the magnet. You don't want it pushing it away. You want it connecting to it. It's 2 millimeters. I don't think I'm going to be storing the stuff on the side yet. I can always add those later. I just want to store the controller and the charger itself. So that's calling for 10 by 2. The two 10 millimeter magnets. I just happen to have my magnets right here. So let's flip back over. I should be able to find these relatively quickly. I'm just going to dry fit them, try it. Those look like the correct size to me. You want to double check to make sure that they are going to work. So that works. That works. But it does not. Yeah, see, it's pushing against here and it works over there. But what I'm going to do is take them off individually, put them on where they go, fight with them the whole time. All right, so I've got the correct direction here. Put that there, and then everything jives. So that's the way that it's got to go. Well, what I'm going to do so I don't get these things all out of whack is I'm going to take it and just lay it flat, and this one goes to the back one here. This one goes to the front one. Get my trusty super glue out, and I'm probably going to get it all over my fingers because typically when I do the magnets, I'll do like the whole big row, put the glue in, and then let the glue set. Then I'll pull the rest of them off as one big piece. So I did get this gel glue the last time because I had the liquid glue. I thought this might work better for 3D prints. I don't think it does. I think the liquid gel is actually better. Oh, see, there's the problem. I'm gonna get glue all over me and all over this. And oh boy, should probably set these one at a time and not do it like I'm doing. And these are supposed to be recessed in here pretty good. These are not. You probably need to file them out a little bit. Don't want to permanently glue this to the thing, but I want to make sure It works. Cool. Yep, seems to work. You know, I'm not going to hang it upside down, but it holds it in there pretty well. And then I'm just going to use a pen to pop the hooks out instead of tearing my fingernails up. Again, this was all print in place. So there we go. Pretty cut dry, pretty simple, pretty easy. All right. So there it is, all put together. I'm gonna go stick it on the wall, and boom, controller's on the wall. Charging cable right here that I can plug into it. Again, I will go, let's give the guys some credit. So here we are on, this is from MakeWorld, and this is created by XH_labs. Thank you for making this really cool print. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe you guys can get a little bit of use out of it too. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.